Oven usage instructions. The button on the right side of our oven is used for temperature adjustment. From here, you can set your desired temperature. The button on this side is related to the cooking mode. By turning it, you can select the desired cooking mode. An important aspect of our oven is that it resets itself when the power switch is turned on and off. During the first use, you will see the indicator in the middle blinking on and off. This indicates that the child lock is active. When we press and hold the 3 lines in the middle for 3 seconds, our oven will be released from the child lock. Please make sure that the light in the middle is not blinking and the lock is open. The user manual for using the oven is located in the drawer below. Turkish and English user manuals are available. Please consult the user manual for assistance when using the oven. Konsept Rental wishes you a pleasant stay.